Hello, my name is Anne. I am a student of English literature. Let me share a wonderful experience from my life in London. This story revolves around my encounter with an amazing teacher and my journey of learning English. It was a beautiful summer day when I found myself on a train in London. Two women were seated opposite me, engaged in conversation in English. As a beginner in English, I struggled to understand much. However, I mustered the courage to speak a few basic words. Surprisingly, the women understood me, which brought me immense joy. Expressing my desire to learn English, I received encouragement from them. They shared that they were from England, returning home from a conference. Our brief conversation lasted about 10 minutes until my stop arrived. Before bidding farewell, the women generously shared their contact information, inviting me to visit them in England. Energized by this encounter, I dedicated myself to improving my English. Over the next 6 months, I diligently worked on translating texts and watching English films. My journey took a significant turn when I decided to pursue further English studies in London. Enrolling in a school, I met my new teacher, who introduced a refreshing approach to learning. She emphasized the importance of practical usage over traditional textbook methods. Her teaching style resonated with me, and I eagerly embraced it. In our classes, we engaged in lively discussions about various topics, sharing our hobbies and interests. I found joy in conversing with my classmates and teacher, gradually improving my English proficiency. One of the key lessons I learned was the significance of vocabulary acquisition. Our teacher enlightened us about the effectiveness of reading for vocabulary expansion. Through consistent reading of interesting material and employing the shadowing technique, I witnessed remarkable progress in my language skills. Additionally, I discovered the value of thinking aloud, a technique that greatly enhanced my speaking abilities. Outside the classroom, I sought opportunities to immerse myself in English-speaking environments. Joining a local football team provided not only physical activity but also ample chances to practice English with teammates from diverse backgrounds. Reflecting on my journey, I realized that language learning is not merely about memorizing words and grammar rules but about actively engaging with the language in meaningful ways. By embracing practical methods and immersing oneself in the language, anyone can achieve fluency.